The King's Ransom, a legal gamble gone wrong. In the gilded world of California law, a shocking betrayal unfolded. Sara Jacqueline King, a 41-year-old attorney, now faces the consequences of her actions. She has been sentenced to 21 months in federal prison. The conviction stems from charges of wire fraud and money laundering. King orchestrated a scheme that embezzled a staggering $8.7 million from her own clients. The stolen funds fueled a gambling addiction in Las Vegas and an outrageously lavish lifestyle. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. King operated under the seemingly legitimate business name of King Family Lending LLC. This entity served as the facade for her elaborate deception. She actively recruited investors, promising lucrative returns on short-term loans. ACE loans were supposedly destined for high-net-worth individuals. King assured investors that these loans were secured by the borrower's assets. However, the U.S. Attorney's Office uncovered a disturbing truth. No loans were ever initiated or funded. The victim's hard-earned money was simply diverted for King's personal use. The promise of secure investments was nothing more than a carefully constructed lie. King's insatiable appetite for luxury was financed by borrowed money. She secured a $10.2 million loan from LDR International Limited. The vast majority of these funds vanished into a vortex of gambling, personal expenses, and extravagant living. King took up residence at the Wynn Las Vegas resort for 6 months. During this extended stay, she indulged in relentless gambling. Reports indicate she gambled virtually around the clock. King herself admitted to losing an estimated $6 to $7 million at the Wynn. The stolen investor money also financed the purchase of a Porsche Taycan electric sports car. The vehicle cost a staggering $132,156. King's defense team attempted to mitigate her culpability by citing contributing factors. They pointed to her alleged addiction to Xanax and heavy alcohol consumption. King reportedly consumed as many as 10 alcoholic drinks per day. These factors were presented as potential explanations for her actions. King has since entered a rehabilitation facility in an attempt to address these issues. She also alleged that her ex-husband pressured her to gamble the loan funds. The victims of King's fraud expressed profound outrage and disappointment. Her actions had devastating consequences for many individuals. King stole from both wealthy individuals and ordinary people alike. Former client Yumiko Sturdivant articulated the sentiments of many victims. She emphasized that King stole from normal people like herself. Sturdivant went on to describe King's actions as nothing short of evil. King was sentenced to 21 months in federal prison on May 5th. In addition to her prison sentence, she was ordered to pay $8,785,045 in restitution. She is scheduled to report to prison on July 14th. Upon her release, King will be subject to supervised release for a period of 3 years. The legal ramifications of her actions will continue to haunt her for years to come. The case serves as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of greed and deception.